Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys is another product review, and the product that I'm going to review guys is this one. It is from Sephora, and it is Sephora the Silver Mask, and it's glow booster, and it has a smoothing formula. I'm just going to read it guys. It is a silver look for awesome selfie, and it is a metallic silver mask maximize ingredient application and skin, including diamond extract, a marvelous beauty ally. It illuminates, smooths, and moisturizes for skin that is smooth and visibly more radiant. So I'm going to show you the clip guys where I tried this product. So it is Sephora the Silver Mask, and it is glow booster, and it has a smoothing formula. And it says here, that's why I wash face already guys, because I've read that apply the mask apply the mask to clean and dry face. So my face is clean, and I already washed it and dry it, so it's good for me to apply this mask. So I'm going to apply it down guys, and I need to leave it for 15 minutes. Wow, look at this guy. Silver. So cute. Okay, this looks cute guys. Cold. It's kind of cold. Taran! So I'm going to leave it guys for 15 minutes. So I'll just put a timer. Stop. 15 minutes. The mask is kind of cold, refreshing, and yeah, that's what I feel. I'm going to update you more guys a bit later, and I'm kind of massaging it more guys, so it can absorb more. And I know I kind of look scary. Hi guys, so it's already 15 minutes and 13 seconds, and it's been in my face, and and if you can see, it's so dry now. I could feel it's very dry now, and especially in this side. So that means the moisture from this is already absorbed by my skin. So I'm going to take it off now. I'll start from here. Wow. And yeah, here. Charan! Wow guys! So refreshing my face. I'm just going to massage it. Wow! Can you see? I haven't put anything yet on my face. I mean, only this. I think I don't need to put on moisturizer. Do it here guys. In my neck. Here, especially here, my face is moisturized and like luminous. But facial guys, like, it's so relaxing, so calming. It's not strong, the smell, and I did not feel any itchiness in my face glow. So that's the clip guys. I just tried it like a few minutes ago, and I already put on something in my face, and I already prepared because I need to go to work guys. And yeah, so this is still my face. It's like I put it like something in my face, like another like an SPF, and this is my face look, guys. So you can see. But yeah, of course, mine is this one. Just exclude the breakout, guys, because I cannot really do anything with my breakout, and I don't know what to do with my breakout. I think it's just my hormones. But yeah, can you see? Ta-da! So this mask, guys, is very nice. It's I mean, some masks also will give itchiness, but this one I did not feel any itchiness. I kind of have sensitive skin, but this one did not give any itchiness, guys. When I feel it, when I put it, it was kind of cold. Even though I did not put it in the ref, I just put it here in the room temperature, and it feels kind of cold and refreshing. The smell is okay. Smell is not hard. The smell is not harsh, and it smells kind of okay. It's very good. Relaxing, not that strong also. It really gives smoothing formula, guys. My skin is so soft. I only put SPF right now. Yeah, and my skin looks so radiant, guys, as you can see. My skin is moisturized, it's not dry. I don't know about later, but yeah, that's what I feel as of the moment. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you have tried the silver mask from Sephora, and I would really love to hear from you guys. And if you're not yet connected with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have a new upload. And by the way, guys, by the way, it's not a pillow here, it's back. I don't know if you have seen this one before in my older videos, but it's back. It's Let It Snow. It's the one with a double. Or you look, the text is Let It Snow. The text is Let It Snow right now. And when you ungle it, meow. So cute. But yeah, it's so cute and cuddly. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and meow meow.